Welcome to this technical guide on the HP NB17tce100. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue. If your HP NB17tce100 can't hold a charge, it can be incredibly frustrating. This problem often occurs due to battery wear over time or faulty connections. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, making your device unusable. To fix this, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and, of course, a new battery for your HP NB17tce100. First, ensure that your device is turned off and unplugged. You will want to lay it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the plastic prying tool, gently insert it into the seam of the laptop's base to pop it open. Be careful to work your way around the edges slowly to avoid damaging the clips. Once opened, locate the battery. It's usually situated at the back of the laptop and looks like a large rectangular component. You will need to remove the screws securing the battery in place. These are typically Phillips screws. Remember to keep track of these screws as you remove them. After unscrewing, disconnect the battery from the motherboard by gently lifting the connector. Now, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. When placing the new battery in, ensure that it fits snugly and reconnect the cable to the motherboard. Tighten the screws back into place, making sure not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the battery or the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, close the laptop carefully, ensuring all clips are secured. Finally, plug in your device and power it on. Check that the battery is charging properly and monitor its performance over the next few days. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly calibrate your battery by fully charging and then fully discharging it every few months. Additionally, keep your device updated and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.